Hi, today we're going to walk you through how to unpack a new Hologic Fluoroscan InSight FD Flex Mini C-Arm, brought to you by minicarm.com. The first step is to cut and remove the pallet strapping from the box. Next, remove the top of the protective box. Then, remove the screws at the bottom that secure the box to the pallet. Next, cut the plastic wrap around the mini C-arm. You'll find the boxes for the footswitch, printer, and Wi-Fi on top of the machine. Next, you'll remove the protective cardboard and foam that are on the machine. Next, use a drill to remove the 6 bolts attached to the machine's push handle. Once removed, you can take off the plywood/foam. You can then remove the C-arm from its holding position in the shipping container. Next, release the latch holding the ramp in place. You can then remove the wing nuts, securing the padding to the back and base of the machine. Lastly, you can roll the machine off the built-in ramp. Congratulations on your new Hologic Fluoroscan InSight FD Mini C-Arm. For sales, service, parts, rentals, or sterile drapes, please contact us at 800-643-2998 or email info@minicarm.com.